Hi everyone, it's Genene with a morning yoga warm-up for your tight shoulders, specifically focused on your arms moving into your back plane, which means arms behind you. Don't need any props. Let's begin standing. You could do this part sitting if you would like. Doesn't matter. And this whole sequence that we're doing, when we move our arms behind us, you can keep your arms apart if that works better for you. If your shoulders are really tight, it's probably more appropriate. So really honor what you're feeling in your body this morning. So first things first, clasp your hands behind your back, interlacing your fingers. And then you can press the palms together if that works for you. And first, just swing your elbows. I'll show you. Swing your elbows in towards each other and then out towards each other and away. And then from here, keep your elbows moving towards each other and inhale, straighten the arms behind you and exhale, bend. And then inhale, straighten and exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten your arms and keep them here this time. If the palms need to move apart a little bit, I won't tell. And then inhale, arms up, exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up, and exhale, lower. Now change the clasp of your hands so that the other index finger is on top. And we'll do this here. So swing your elbows in towards each other and then out, in towards each other and out. And you're focused on keeping your spine in neutral as we bring our elbows towards each other and straighten the arms behind you. And then bend and straighten. And then bend. Keep your jaw relaxed. Your ears stay over your shoulders, shoulders over hips. And then we're going to keep our arms stretched out behind us. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, lower. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, lower. Straight arms the whole time. Now, take a wide stance. We're going into Presarita, Paddotanasana, so wide-legged forward bend. So feet are parallel to each other. And if you feel uncomfortable with your sense of balance, then choose either or. If you want to focus on hands in the back plane, stay upright as we do this. So you're clasping your hands together behind you just the way we did before. And you can simply stay here and start moving your arms up towards the sky, or inhale and then exhale, bow forwards and float your arms up and over. So you need some abdominal strength and leg strength to hold yourself up here. And then inhale, come up. Change the clasp of your hands. So whichever index finger was on top, you simply move the other index finger. And then inhale, stretch. Exhale, bow. Enjoying this multitasking you're doing, inner thigh stretching, hamstring stretching, and then inhale, come up and join your legs, well, not together, but bring them underneath your hip bones. You have the option to keep your legs wide, this next one. That's one. Number two, you can take your legs a little wider than your hips, as wide as your mat. If your hamstrings, you felt like, oh, they're very tight, because we're bowing forwards, again, doing the same thing that we did. So hands clasped behind you, or you're just bringing your arms behind you, your choice. And then inhale, lengthen. And exhale, bow, floating the arms up and over. Full breath here. And then inhale, come up. Change the clasp of your hands. I'll demonstrate feet underneath hip bones if that's the way you want to do it. Inhale. And then exhale, bow forwards. Just notice any new openings you're creating in the shoulders, honoring if you're still feeling tightness. Giving your shoulders a little attention. Inhale, come up. Let's come down onto our backs. So our knees are going to be bent and our feet flat, feet hip bone width apart. And really honoring what you're feeling, because this was a really quick warm-up. So if this is Setu Bandha Sarvangasana, if it's too intense, then you're going to honor that and stay lying down. Maybe do this bit later. Press down through the feet. Inhale, lift your hips. And then you can slide your shoulders a little bit under and then clasp your hands if that's appropriate. Press down through the arms, lift the hips. Take a breath here. How about a second breath? And then release the clasp. Lower the hips. And on your next inhale, lift the hips again and clasp your hands the other way, the other fingers on top. Every vertebra of your spine is off of the ground. Breathing space into your chest area here. One more breath. And then exhale, release the hands, lower down. And very gently bend your knees into your chest, but without really squeezing. Just let the weight of your hands draw the knees in a little closer towards your body. Breathing a little bit more space into the back. From there, you can move into Shavasana and stay there as long as you like. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to hearing in the comments how this worked for you. Until next time, namaste.